Odisha's history, ancient history of Odisha, and prehistory. First question: Kalinga is described in which part of the Mahabharata? Answer is Banaprabha. Next question: According to the Mahabharata, the capital city of ancient Kalinga was. Answer is Dantapur. Next question: Match the list 1 with list 2. Answer B. A is 2. Tosali Eastern Odisha, Trikalinga Western Odisha, Kangada Central Odisha, and Kalinga is Southern Odisha. Next question: Who among the following was the first historian to take of exhibition at Sisubalgarh? Answer is D. Brajavasi Lal. Next question: The first major historical site of Odisha, Sisupalgarh, was excavated by Brajavasi Lal in which year? Answer is B. 1949. Next question: Odisha is believed to the derive its name from. Answer is D. Odra. Next question: Which of the following historical names of Odisha are mentioned in Kalidas Raghuvansham? Answer is D. Both B and C. It means Odra and Kalinga. Next question: The original culture of Odisha was. Answer is B. Tribal. Next question: According to some historians, most of the tribals of Odisha belong to the. Answer is Proto-Australoid group. Next question: Which part Parva of Mahabharata mentions Kalinga as a land where river Baitarini flowed? Answer is C. Banaprabha. Next question: It is said that the ancient capital of Kalinga was. Answer is D. Dantapur. Next question: Which of the following ancient works describes Odras as an ancient people? Answer is B. Manu Samhita. Next question: Alberuni is his account mentioned Odisha as. Answer is B. Urdhavisa. Visu. Next question: Which of the names of ancient Odisha is not mentioned in Kalidas Raghuvansham? Answer is C. Tosali. Next question: Who among the following named his kingdom as Sakalotla, the whole of Utkala? Answer is Chodogangadev. Next question: The ancient Trikalinga was geographically confined to. Answer is B. The West. Next question: The familiar historical nomenclature of Odisha is found in. Answer is D. All of the above. Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Buddhist literature. Next question: The word Odra, from which the present name of Odisha derives, is referred who as an ancient people according to the. Answer is D. Manu Samhita. Next question: Stone Age Which of the following were the tools of early Stone Age of Odisha? Answer is all the above: hand axe, cleaver, scalper. Next question. The paintings of the natural rocks of the Gudahandi hills in modern Kalahandi districts belong to. Answer is Paleo- Paleolithic age. Next question. Who among the following archaeologists took of massive excavation work at Ratnagiri in Odisha? Answer is A. Devilal Mitra. Next question. Which of the following is termed as diamond triangle in Odyssean archaeology? Answer is B. Lalitgiri, Udayagiri, Ratnagiri. Next question. Which of the following is incorrect? Answer is C. The punch marked coins did not bear punch marks of human figures. Next question. In which of the following sites tools of Middle Stone Age are reported? Answer is D. All of the above. Jyoti Vihar, Chalakamba, Bhubaneswar. Next question. Harichandanpur is reported to have specimen of the tools of Middle Stone Age. Harichandanpur is located in which of the following districts of Odisha? Answer is C. Dhenkanal. Next question. Which of the following is not a tool mostly used in Middle Stone Age in Odisha? Answer is A. Hand axe. Next question. In which of the following districts of Odisha microlithic sites found? Answer is D. All the above. Mayurbhanj, Dhenkanal, Bolangir. Next question. In which of the following places microlithic tools have been found? Answer is all the above. Manumunda, Haldipalli, Khairi. Next question. In the basins of which of the following rivers microlithic tools have been tracked out? Answer is Tel and Ong. Next question. Which of the tools were mostly in using Neolithic period in Odisha? Answer is all the above: axe blades, chisels, stone picks. Next question. Neolithic pottery is reported at Baidipuru, which is located in the modern district of. Answer is B. Mayurbhanj. Next question. In Kalinga under Ashoka, Sompa was the second headquarters after Tosali. Somapa belongs to modern district of. Answer is C. Ganjam. Next question. In the valley of which of the following rivers Neolithic pottery is found? Answer is Jonk. Next question. During which age agriculture and domestication of animals were first taken up? Answer is A. Late Stone Age. Next question. Metal metal plates of prehistoric periods are found in which of the following modern districts in Odisha? Answer is Sundargarh. Next question. Which of the following places where prehistoric metal plates have been found is not in Mayurbhanj districts? Answer is Dunaria. Next question. The knowledge of metal plates used in Odisha during prehistoric time are believed to have been influenced by. Answer is Central Asia. Next question. Ancient kingdoms. Question is The political history of Odisha began rolling during the rule of. Answer is Nanda. Next question. Who among the following is the founder of the Nanda dynasty? Answer is Mahapadmananda. Next question. The capital city of ancient Kosala is believed to have been. Answer is Sripur. Next question. The ancient Kalinga had become pro- prosperous by her overseas trade in. Answer is Southeast Asian countries. Next question. Sarmanos, Sarmanos is ancient history is referred to. Answer is Buddhist monks. Next question. Asoka. The the colossal nature of the Great Kalinga War has been described by Asoka in his. Answer is C. Rocket Edict 13. Next question. The capital city of Asoka's Kalinga was. Answer is Tosali. Next question. The coastal belt of Midnapur district to the river Mahanadi was given the name of dash by Huan Tisang. Answer is Wocha. Next question. Who was the Buddhist monk brought the tooth relics of Buddha to Kalinga? Answer is Khemathra. Next question. Who was the Kalinga king to whom the monk presented the tooth relic of Buddha? Answer is Brahmadatta. Next question. The Great Kalinga War was fought in the year. Answer is 261 BC. Next question. In which of the following Asokan edicts have been found? Answer is both B and C. Dhauli and Jaugarh. Next question. Who took away the image of Jinnah from Kalinga? Answer is Mahapadmananda.